You guys fixing a furnace today? This furnace has a problem with the diaphragm switch. I replaced it with the same kind, but for some reason it's not working. So I replaced it with a generic one, because the old one is mounted here. That's the old screw there. I just replaced it with the generic one and just made up bolted in with a screw here, and it worked. First I thought it was plugged, but it wasn't. Took this off, everything was okay. I thought it was this, but it was working fine. The fan is fine, the blades are fine. So I hook it back up and just replace it with the diaphragm switch. The older one, if I suck on it, it works, but I guess it doesn't have, maybe it's the fan, there's some leaks, so it's not strong enough, but I don't know what the ramifications are, but it works on this one. Gotta do a little bit of research if that's bad or not, but I had this with me, so I hook it on and it works. Alright.